Good morning, students! Welcome to Miss Bella class. How are you today, guys? I hope you guys are okay. So, today's learning goal is to develop critical reasoning skills by guiding participants educated to analyze the information read, identify the necessary information, and draw conclusions. So, today we are going to discuss about fairy tales. Does anyone know what is fairy tales? Yes, that's right. Fairy tales is a story that usually involves magical creatures and events, and often has a moral lesson at the end. I have some fairy tale photos. Who can tell me which fairy tale this picture is from? Yes, the picture is Cinderella. Can anyone describe what is happening in the picture? Yes, that's right. Cinderella talking to her fairy godmother. The fairy godmother is using magic to help Cinderella go to the ball. This is a common element in fairy tales. Magic and helpful magic creators.
Here's the text for us to read. I will read and then you follow. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. She dwelled in a humble cottage with her stepmother and stepsisters, who treated her as their servant. Despite her hardships, Cinderella remained gentle and hopeful, finding solace in the beauty of nature and the company of friendly animals who roamed the countryside. One day, an invitation arrived from the royal palace announcing a grand ball to be held in honor of the prince's search for a bride. Cinderella's heart fluttered with excitement, but her joy was short-lived as her stepmother forbade her from attending, claiming she was unworthy. Heartbroken yet undeterred, Cinderella retreated to the garden, where her tears caught the attention of mystical creator, a fairy godmother. With a wave of her wand, the fairy godmother transformed Cinderella's tethered dress into a shimmering gown, a pumpkin into a magnificent carriage, and mice into elegant steeds. Overwhelmed with gratitude, Cinderella set off for the ball, her spirit soaring as she entered the palace and caught the prince's eye. Enchanted by her grace and beauty, the prince danced with Cinderella throughout the night, unaware of her true identity. As the clock struck midnight, Cinderella remembered her fairy godmother's warning and fled from the palace, leaving behind a single glass slipper. Determined to find his mysterious enchantress, the prince searched the kingdom until he arrived at Cinderella's cottage. With the glass slipper in hand, the prince knelt before Cinderella, who revealed herself as the maiden from the ball. Overjoyed, the prince declared his love for her, and they lived happily ever after. Two questions, and we will discuss them. What is the story about? Right. The story of Cinderella is about a young girl who, despite facing courtly and hardship from her stepfamily, maintains her kindness and inner goodness. What special abilities did the main character have that other characters in the story did not? Yes, that one could argue that Cinderella's special ability is her connection to magic through her fairy godmother. Unlike the other characters in the story, Cinderella has access to supernatural assistance in the form of her fairy godmother, who grants her the opportunity to attend the royal ball by transforming her tethered dress into a shimmering gown, a pumpkin into a magnificent carriage, and mice into elegant steeds. What event occurred that changed Cinderella's fate? Cinderella's fate changed when an invitation to a royal ball arrived, offering her the chance to attend a grand event where she could potentially meet the prince. How did the end for Cinderella? The story ended happily for Cinderella as she was returned with the prince, who declared his love for her.
Okay, after we read and discuss the questions about Cinderella's story, what lessons can we take away from the story? Yes, that's right. It's kindness. Even though Cinderella gets unfair treatment, she is still kind to her stepmother and stepsister. thanks to her kindness. Cinderella got a happy ending. You all did a fantastic job identifying these fairy tales and describing what is happening in the pictures. Remember, fairy tales are not just fun stories, they also teach us important lessons about good and evil and the power of kindness and bravery. I think that's enough for today's lesson. Thank you for taking part into the lesson. Enjoy continuing your activities. Bye, students!